Hi, and welcome to IFC Markets. This brief video tutorial will show you step by step how to set up your own personal composite instrument, or PCI, using the GeWorko method. The GeWorko method is an innovative approach to the study of financial markets and analysis of their dynamics. It allows you to build portfolios of assets from a variety of financial instruments and to determine the value of one portfolio relative to the other, and to study the changes in the relative price of the portfolios over time. The final product of this method, as we said, is the PCI. For further information regarding the GeWorko method, please direct your attention to Portfolio Trading and then select GeWorko method and how it works. Now then, let's begin setting up our PCI by first downloading a demo account. You can easily set up a demo account by going to Trading, Accounts and Conditions, Open Demo Account, and then select NetTradeX Demo. After you're selecting the device to download the platform on, click Download, then Run at the bottom of your screen. After it's finished downloading, click Next, choose your language of choice, and then Next again until prompted to click Finish. From here, select Open Demo Account, fill in the required fields, and you're good to go. Alright, so after we've created our demo account, let's start creating our PCI. You can do this in three ways. First, we go to Market Watch, right-click anywhere, and select Create PCI GeWorko. This will open up the PCI window. Or we can go to Navigator, select My Instruments, Create PCI GeWorko, or select My Instruments, Instrument Browser, and in My Instruments, create PCI GeWorko. Alright then, after we've opened the PCI window, let's start setting up our PCI. To keep things simple, for the first quotation, which is going to be our base, I'm going to select the S&P 500, which we can easily find by typing in the window here, and then selecting Add from the arrow. And I'll add one more instrument, which will be gold, which its symbol is XAU. So as we can see, it's very simple to find stuff and add them. We'll then put our quotation in various currencies to help value our PCI. For this example, let's select the Aussie dollar, say, the Canadian dollar, and the New Zealand dollar. Now then, after we've selected our instruments, let's start setting the volumes of the assets. However, it's important to note here that the US dollar, which is at the top of the list of available assets, can be included only in the quote of the PCI. So, now, we're going to select the volume in units of the asset, percentage of the asset in relation to the current limit volume, and the volume expressed in USD. So, let's say for our two base assets, we select them equally. So 50% for the SP 500 and 50% for the gold. We then select the volume for our currencies. For the AUD, let's say 30,000. For the CAD, 10,000. And for the New Zealand dollar, 40,000. After easily selecting the assets and currencies, you'll be prompted to save your PCI. You can do this in two ways. One, by selecting Save, where the name is automatically generated here at the top, or by selecting Save As and selecting it yourself. Let's select Save, and then select Close and Add to User Instruments. From here, you can go to Market Watch, where your PCI will be available for charting purposes. Select the time frame, and your PCI will show up. In order to further modify your PCI, go down to the navigator, select My Instruments, Instrument Browser, and from My Instruments, select the PCI, and then Open. From here, you'll be easily allowed to modify any part of your PCI you select. And then just select Save again after modifying. After you've successfully created PCI of your choice, I'd like to draw your attention to the current PCI ask price. Now this is the value of 1 unit of your specific PCI. What this means is that when 1 unit is bought of your PCI, it's like buying 30 units of the S&P 500, 18 ounces of gold, selling 32,103 worth of Aussie dollar, buying $10,500 CAD, and selling 42,804 New Zealand dollars. These prices will fluctuate as time goes on and as markets fluctuate. To find the current status of your PCI, all you have to do is go to My Instruments, Instrument Browser, and then select the PCI that you've created. From here, you can see the name of the PCI so you can find it easily, and then track the progression of your PCI. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and you look forward to trying out the new innovative GeWorko method and the creation of your own PCIs. Good luck in all your trades, and if you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us at IFC Markets.